Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep.
So I have a to-do list. I need to go to Ulta, I need to go to Walmart, and I need to go to Dollar General. The problem is I have to be at work in 2 hours. And Ulta is playing with my emotions because they have not texted me and been like, oh, your order's ready for pickup. And I don't want to let go and then it not be ready, but at the same time I do kind of need to go ahead and be on the road because trying to get there and get back, like, it's a 30-minute drive there, so I kind of need to already be en route. So I don't know. Also, I need to like deep clean my apartment because, so I got sick a couple weeks ago and I did deep clean after that happened. Well, Louis got shots earlier this week, and let's just say I woke up and had to clean my floors because of the side effects of those shots. So love that for us over here. But what up, you guys? Wow, the camera looks, my head looks so freaking big in this hat. Like, I'm very upset about this. All right, so we went to Five Below. I'm pretty sure I got a little bit of footage in there. It was tragic, okay? Tragic. They had nothing that I wanted. They had, oh no, I take that back. I did end up getting like some regular pillows for my apartment, but nothing Valentine's Day related. So I literally just grabbed some socks, some pillows, and that was about it. I did go to Dollar General, but that was a fail because they did not have my, oh, it's 11:35. Yeah, I gotta go. Holla. What up, guys? Okay, so I realized I look a hot mess, and you know, it is what it is at this point. Yeah, that's what's happening. So as you can see, I finally went and got my order from Ulta. Because I am going to be taking these extensions out tonight, washing my hair, like deep conditioning and just like nourishing my hair to straighten it and then put them back in. Probably over the weekend, I'm not really sure, but so that's what's happening. But I did go, so the girlies on TikTok and some of the men, honestly, that do makeup convinced me to get the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Natural Radiance Foundation, and also I got the powder foundation as well. I got Cabo, I don't think that's the right color I ordered, and Somalia. I don't need to check that. Maybe it looks hella light right here, and this, I don't know, maybe I should have got a different color. I hate trying to order stuff online. Yeah, that's kind of light. Can y'all see that? Whatever, it is what it is. It can be like the middle of the face setting powder. I also got some hair stuff. So this was an order that I literally was wasting time today. So like I went to Five Below, I went to get a new Swiffer because my Swiffer broke. Long story. Anyways, so I got a huge order of like pattern hair care products just because I really want to like try something different. And I feel like my hair has been growing, and like my extensions have grown out. I don't know if you guys can see, like they've grown out quite a bit since I installed them. So, and it literally was like 3 weeks ago. So I decided to get the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair, Strengthen and Repair Hair Care Minis, and it's the shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner mask, and a strengthening oil. So I got that, and I got the small version of a lot of this stuff so that I could try it out, and then if I don't like it, like I'm not stuck with it. And then from Pattern, I got their leave-in conditioner. I got the jojoba oil blend self-heating pack. So basically you pull the strip, it heats up in the packet, and then you put it on your hair to moisturize. So got that. I got the hydrating mist, and I think this is the travel size as well. So I got that. I got the Argan Oil Blend Moisture and Shine Boost I think it's just like a serum. And I looked at the jojoba oil one and then the argan oil one, and I think my hair is just better suited for argan oil, because way back in the day when everyone on YouTube was like, oh, you should use argan oil, like my hair was thriving. But I was using this type of hair extension method, gosh, what were they called? Max extensions. And so like you can't have any oil at all in your hair, so it was not conducive. Then I got the scalp serum, which is supposed to invigorate and cool. And I'll go into a little bit more when I like wash my hair tonight, but whatever. I got the brush, the pattern brush, and I also got the cleansing shampoo. So it's supposed to like clarify your hair, which I need because I cannot find a really good clarifying shampoo, and I wanted one. And I felt like because this is for natural hair or natural hair, that it wouldn't strip the complete moisture out of my hair. Like it would do what I needed to do and pull the stuff out without like completely damaging my hair like a other shampoo would. So I got all of that stuff, and I'm going to be taking my extensions out tonight after work and washing my hair and washing my extensions so that I can retape them tomorrow, so that hopefully I can put them in tomorrow after work. I don't know, we'll see where we go with that. Also, I got from Five Below, so I got a couple things. I got some pillows for my couch because I just felt like they needed some. I got this hair towel because washing my hair, obviously. And then I got socks because I am constantly losing the mates to my socks. Hopefully that won't happen now that I live by myself, but you know, stranger things have happened. So yeah, that is everything that I got while I was out. Well, I told you about the slipper. I do still need to go to the other Dollar General that I went to before, because I've searched high and low and no place has like the Valentine's decor that I'm looking for. So I'm gonna go there. Actually, I should probably decorate with what I have first and then decide if I still need that stuff. But yeah, so I gotta get ready and go to work because it's 12:15 and I have to be at work at 12:30. So I need to like get my life together and get my life together. Yeah. All right. Talk to y'all. What up, guys? So I always hate my late days. I like it because I like starting at 12:30, but I hate it because, baby, like, who got time to stay on the clock until 9 o'clock? Okay. Oh, I was getting some seasoning out. I'm getting ready to cook, or at least start cooking because I'm still working. So we'll do onion powder. Yeah. I guess I need to take him for a walk too. So what I'm doing tonight is, the other day, long story, we're ignore it. The other day I actually put some of one of these packets, it was the Caribbean type, on my chicken, and I just baked it in the oven. It's for wings, but I didn't have wings. I had little chicken tenderloins, so that's what I did. And it tasted chef's kiss. Amazing. So what I'm gonna do is cook the chicken with the lemon pepper and some cilantro lime rice for dinner. I forgot to tell y'all this earlier. Let me put this right here. Like, look. So I know you guys have seen it on TikTok because, you know, everybody has seen everything on the TikTok. But I was like, oh my gosh, I was in Walmart the other night on FaceTime with my sister because I went to Ulta looking for these. They didn't have them, and they lied because on the Ulta app, of course, it said that they had it. But whatever, it is what it is. Okay, they didn't have it, so I just kind of gave up because I was like, I don't know if I'm really gonna like them or not, and I still don't know. But they had them in Walmart and they were cheaper than in Ulta, so I was like, well, I mean, I could, I could give it a shot. We could see what it's about. Like, it'll make good content. So that is part of the plan. My camera battery is getting ready to die, so I'm just gonna show you guys this chicken. See it? All right, then I'm just gonna rub this seasoning in and put it on this thing to be baked. What up, guys? Okay, so I am in the process of drying my extensions, which that's going to be a whole separate vlog, but I realized that I don't have a really good blow dryer, so I ended up going to Walmart and I got two. Here's the thing, before you call me extra, I had one of the Revlon ones that you like, it straightens your hair and like I don't know, it was amazing. And my god sister took it and she does not give it back, so I was just like, you know what, don't worry about it. So I watched some reviews. I ended up getting this one here. I got it in black and pink because that's the hair aesthetic that I have apparently. So I got that one, and then while I was in there, I was only gonna get, no, I wasn't gonna get two, because I was just gonna get like a regular blow dryer, but then I saw this one here. It's the Remington Wet to Style Faster Styling Dry and Style in One Step, and two things intrigued me about this one. That is, well, no, not two things. Yes, no. So this one here that's up there, I don't know how to use it, but I'm curious to find out. But also because it has a comb attachment, which for me, like, I grew up on comb attachments on my hair dryer. So when they started going away, I was just like, I don't know what to do right with myself. So I got this because I'm going to blow dry these extensions later on tonight. I'm gonna try and let them air dry as much as possible, but I want to blow dry them because I do need to get them installed today. So yeah, some other stuff that I got, if you guys can see behind me, I got some Valentine's Day decor here. So I got these here. They're just like jars. They came from Dollar Tree, and I got two of them. I don't know if you can see the other one, it might be out of frame, but I got two of these. And then I got this stuff here. So I got this, is just a really cute cup that says "Be Mine," and that came from, I think, Dollar Tree. I got these little scatterers. I ordered end tables from Amazon, but they've not come yet. So, and they said they were out for delivery, but no, they said they're supposed to be arriving today, but they're not out for delivery. So I'm thinking they're probably not coming. I also ordered an ottoman that was supposed to deliver yesterday. That did not come. Right now it's just like, we don't know where your package is. Call us and we'll figure it out. So, or we'll give you a refund. So I don't know. Eventually they'll get here. Maybe. So then I got this. This came from Dollar Tree as well. Don't really know what it's going to be for, but it might be a good thing to keep my keys in. I got some command strips because I'm going to be hanging stuff. I got this. I thought I got two of these. Oh, maybe it's just one. But oh no, it is two. I thought it was two of these. They're tangled up, but basically they're pom-poms. I was thinking of draping them like right here. I don't know. We'll see, like, once everything gets here and I can see. And that came from Dollar General. I got this on here. This came from Dollar Tree. I got some garland that's just red, and that also came from Dollar Tree. And then I think this is the last thing that I got, like, that was Valentine's Day expired. These two little blocks that say "Be Mine" and "Kiss Me." And I'm not sure what I'm gonna put over there and what I'm gonna put over here, but this is all the stuff that I got. And then let me show you guys over here. So the pillow. Never mind the mess on the couch. The pillow, these are the pillows that I got from Five Below. I just got two of them in cream. When I put them on the couch, I really feel like I could have got 4. So I might get 2 more just to like double up right here on the couch. But then I'm just like, I don't know. I don't know. So that's where we're at. And now lash stuff, because you guys know I love and obsessed with lashes. So my sister has had me on the hunt for the telescopic lift mascara. Obviously haven't tried it, just got it. But I did find it at Walgreens because literally every other store was sold out. So found it at Walgreens just on a whim. And then I also got some lash stuff from Amazon. What is this? Hold up. Oh, and I got some microlink stuff. So I'm planning to try microlinks again. I don't know when. Right now I have some microlinks that I watched earlier, and I have some tape-ins that I washed earlier. So I haven't really decided like which direction I want to go in, but I got a microlink installation kit. So it's basically got the pliers, the openers, and something else in it. So that's what I got. And then I also got some more lash stuff, which I'm gonna show you guys all of this stuff in a second. I think this might be the beads and the puller tool. So I'm gonna like chug a Red Bull and see how I feel. If I feel like I can do it, I might go ahead and just do the microlinks, because they are a natural kinky curly texture, a kinky coily texture, whereas of course my microlinks are kinky straight. So I don't know, but I got some of these, and then I also got puller tools, and I really just ordered a bunch because I tend to lose these. So as you can see, I decided to go with, again, a pink aesthetic. That wasn't planned though, it just happened that way. Now lash stuff. So I was on Amazon and I had an old Kiss Falscara that I tried, and I don't know if they changed the formula from the old version to the new version, because I ordered the new version and I did not like it. It did not work. I'm not a fan. But I'm gonna give it another shot, because I'm not gonna try it just one time and say it was a fail, but right now it's a fail. So anyways, I ordered these, which are lash clusters, because I like these versions more so than I like these, but I have a ton of these. Can you see them? So I ordered this one. It's a DIY lash kit, and this is 30D and 40D, because I like to use these to fill in where these can get a little gappy, like when you put two side by side. I like to use one of these as like a spacer between them so that it doesn't look, like I said, gappy. So I got these, and then I got these here by Easy Tension. The longest length I like to use is 16 at most. Most of the time I like use a 14 on the outer, but the other day I ended up, no, not 16, I lied, 14. I like using a 14, although the other day I ended up using 12s and 14s, and I was not mad at the way it looked. So I got those. I showed you guys these. I got one of the Bond-In seals, which is kind of like the Kiss one. So I got that, and then the last type I got is these here. And I got these because if you see like the ends of them, they look super wispy. So that is another thing on my to-do list for tonight, is to do my lashes, do my hair. I don't know what else. I wrote like a whole to-do list 2 days ago on Thursday, and yesterday was so bad, you guys, so bad. I was very upset. Like, I don't know, I was just like in a mood, and I think it's because like it's almost that time of the month, but I was just in a horrible mood. So that's why I didn't pick up the camera. So yeah.
Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a